Yes, there we go. This is what we're going for. Check it out.
Amongst the crowd, shining through, see it from a point of view. You're not saying a word, but you speak volumes.
Hello and welcome to the channel today. How are we all? We are in Biddulph with Jade and Aimee. How are we, girls? Are we good?
Okay.
We're doing an autumnal shot. Look at the colours here, absolutely stunning. I'm just going to utilise this tree here with a bit of flash. Ignore the hair, I know I need a haircut. All good there. So we're talking autumnal shots here. That's why we're in the forest. And well, there's leaves everywhere. What's the typical autumnal shot? It is, well, let's demonstrate. Let's demonstrate. It is, are you ready? Go for it, Aimee. Yes, there we go. 3, 2, 1, go.